Hi, my name is Mark, and this is my version of the DriveShare project. So first thing, we're going to sign up a new user. She'll be a renter. Okay, and the account is created. So then we just come here and log in. Okay, and so here's the main menu with, this is the renter main menu. And here we can view messages. She doesn't have any. View cars. Right now we have none to look at. We'll add some money to her account. And first thing, we're going to watch, create a filter for cars that she's going to be interested in. So we'll just say that she wants to do Fords that are under $200, and that's going to be saved to her account here. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, and then nothing else she can really do right now because we need to add some cars, so just log out and let's log in with a new person. So now we're John here, and he is an owner. It says right there, owner home, the owner home menu. So let's list a car. He's going to list a Ford Focus 2012, 150,000 miles. It's going to be gas. It's available. Detroit. And the price is $100 per day. So submit that, and we get the message popped up that we had the car submitted. If we try to do a car without some of these required fields, it's going to say that they're required. So let's do another Ford. I don't know, Explorer. And it is 50. And then he'll put another one in there that's newer, and it's 500. And say one more BMW M4. I don't think they have an electric version, but I'm gonna put that. Okay, so now he has these cars listed. Return home, and we'll go back to Mary. And let's say she forgot her password. So what was her favorite animal? Dog. Okay, her favorite food? Pizza. Favorite color? Red. And it is updating like the question each time we submit this, and it's right. Let's do one wrong just to see. So blue is incorrect. So do red. And there's her password. Mary. Log back in. And there's a message. Now she has two messages. The car is available, 150, 500, 500. But she has that filter on. So it's only showing ones that are under 200 here, and they're Fords. So we're going to say she's interested in the first one, and she wants to confirm the booking. Oh no, sorry. Go back. View cars. Okay, so she's interested in the first one here. So we request booking, and the request is sent. So now we have to wait for John to log back in and confirm. So he says, okay, from Mary to John, she is wanting to book this car. So, okay, message 1 here, he confirms, and it says right there, the request is confirmed. So we return home and log back out, and Mary has a new message. Her booking is confirmed, so now she just has to pay John. And it's message number 4. We will pay the selected payment processed $100. And if we refresh, now her balance is 0. She has this receipt. And that is pretty much it for her. Now if we go here to the PowerPoint, all right, so the DriveShare, our first pattern, the COR pattern, we use the chain of responsibility pattern to first take a user object and pull 3 answers from the user into the questions, and then each handler is extended from our question handler abstract method. And then each handler prints the question to the screen, and if it's correct, the next handler is called until finally the password is shown, like we showed in the app. Builder pattern. So the car class is defined to represent whatever vehicle we might put in there, and then the director calls for each piece to be built, and the car listing builder, that's the template for the concrete builder, which is going to actually build each part of the car and then return the full car. Mediator pattern, which we implemented in the graphical user interface. So each panel is kind of part of referenced in the main DriveShare GUI method or class. So each panel class is gonna have all of the UI components in it, and then like on their click listeners, they send a call to the DriveShare GUI that actually runs through all the logic. And then proxy pattern, the payment proxy and real payment both implement the payment interface. The proxy is going to check if it meets the requirements before letting the actual payment be authorized to go through. Our observer pattern. So the listing observer is our interface, and renter watch observer implements it. And our car listing manager is the subject of this pattern. When a new car is added that matches a renter's saved car watch, they receive a message alerting them that a vehicle they're interested in is available. And then finally, the singleton pattern. Once we have a user to work with, we use a user session to enforce only one session being allowed at a time. So A user is created, and then on login, they're stored in the session, and only one session object can be created, so only one user can be logged in at a time. Once they log out, then a new user can log in and use the session. And that's it.